I'm Ryan from Hoselink, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Waterwise starter kit. Screw the tap connector into your tap. If the tap outlet seems too big, remove the reducer and try again. Next, you'll need to fit your hose end connectors. First, cut the hose straight, like this. Next, put the yellow nut over the hose, like this. Attach the white split ring, making sure it is flush with the end of the hose. To help soften the end of the hose, dip the first 2 centimetres into boiling water, wait 15 seconds, push the hose over the stem and push against a hard surface until the hose reaches the base of the fitting. Once the hose has reached the base of the fitting, attach the yellow nut and tighten. To connect the hose to the tap, line up the white lugs, push and turn your bottom hand to the right. Now you'll need to attach your hose connector with flow control to the other end of the hose. First, cut the hose straight, like this. Put the yellow nut over the end of the hose. To prepare the flow control fitting to be attached to the end of the hose, pull out the stem like this. Next, attach the white split ring to the end of the hose, making sure it's flush with the end. To help soften the hose, put the first 2 centimetres into boiling water and wait 15 seconds. Place the hose over the stem and push against a hard surface until the hose reaches the base. Then place the hose and stem into the back of the fitting like this. Once the fitting is in place, screw up the yellow nut. Screw the accessory connector with swivel into the base of the spray gun. If you're finding it hard, screw in reverse until you hear a click and then screw forward. Finally, line up the lugs of the spray gun and connector, turn them to the right to lock them in, and just like that, you're done.